Hi friends, today I'm gonna show you my own made 4x4 LED cube which is totally programmed by Arduino Pro Mini. So now I'm gonna show you how it works and how it looks like when it lights up. Okay. You can see the lights are playing. It has 15 different kinds of scheme. Lights are dancing. It's pretty cool to see. Okay. This is the top view. Okay. In next video, I will show you how to make it by your own. It looks like really it looks like it's a tough thing, but that is very easy to use, but it will take you some time, but it's really easy. Okay. So friends, now I'm gonna turn it off. Okay. So keep in touch. Bye.